Welcome to my channel, EasyLingual. In today's episode, you'll learn how to ask where is or where are in French. We'll pair it with common places like hotel, airport, and restaurant. Let's begin with the train station. In French, that's la gare. So you ask, où est la gare? That means, where is the train station? Simple, right? Repeat after me, où est la gare? Next up, the airport. In French, l'aéroport. So you say, où est l'aéroport? Don't forget, T in est is silent, and port ends with a soft nasal tone. Practice with me. Où est l'aéroport? You've got it. Feeling hungry? Let's ask for the restaurant. French word, le restaurant. Question, où est le restaurant? The final T is silent, and Ran uses a nasal sound. Let's say it together. Où est le restaurant? Need a place to stay? In French, l'hôtel. So ask, où est l'hôtel? Try it with me. Où est l'hôtel? Good going. Next up is a must word for everyone, restrooms or toilets. The French word for toilets is les toilettes, plural. That means we use où sont les toilettes. Notice how sont means are, because toilets is in plural. Practice, où sont les toilettes? And finally, the pharmacy. In French, la pharmacie. Ask, où est la pharmacie? Nice and smooth, say it with me. Où est la pharmacie? Great job! You now know how to ask for 6 everyday locations in French using où est, où sont. Keep practicing the pronunciation and use these phrases whenever you travel or chat with native speakers. Au revoir.